So I just got out of the op shop and I got this Connor suit jacket brand new for $4 Australian. This would have gone for 180 in store. I can't wait to do a little review on it when I get home. Alright, so things that you can get for $4 Australian. I mean, you can get bag of chips. You can get, I don't know, there's not a lot you can get for $4. You can't even get a pie at the bakery for $4. So $4 for a suit jacket is pretty bloody good. So here it is, here's the jacket from Connor. Now, I recently, well, I guess 4 months ago, I was in Connor last in February. Jackets like this were selling for about 180, and that's off clearance as well. So I just want to show you what we've got. It's even got the original bag, the original hanger. We go, brand new Connor jacket. Chest size 40, that's my size exactly. So I'm just gonna go put on a t-shirt because I think this will look nicer over a t-shirt than it will over this textured like waffle knit sweater. But let's have a look. Alright, so I've got a large slim fit tee, basic t-shirt from H&M. I got this 3-pack for $39. And I think that's really good value. The shirts are incredibly soft. I think they've got elastane in them as well, not just cotton, because this feels way more luxurious than a regular basic t-shirt. Anyways, here is the jacket. It's a 40 regular, and that's about my size. This is a slim fit as well, I believe. Yeah, slim fit 40, that's about my size. 38 I can pull off, it's just not ideal. Put this over here. This is like the perfect fit. Yeah. Pretty happy with this for $4. Seeing as how the weather is a little colder as well, I thought I would try it on again with the waffle knit sweater underneath, as I do think it's quite smart. As far as $4 finds go for op shop and thrift store buying, you'd be hard pressed to find anything better than this. I actually don't know if there was like a matching pair of trousers or pants there. I didn't bother looking at the pants just because I don't think I've ever bought a pair of pants from an op shop before. I don't mind buying jackets, but pants it seems a little weirder. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there that do actually buy pants from thrift stores and op shops, but I don't believe I've ever bought a pair of pants from there. Maybe in the future I'll look into buying some pants from the op shop, but we'll see how we go. As far as the fit for the jacket goes, you know, I couldn't be happier, especially at $4. If you guys have ever found any amazing deals at an op shop or a thrift store, let me know in the comments below, as I'm like genuinely curious to find out. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.